Battery is here. Battery will take over the world. Anyways, I don't know what that was saying. I hope it doesn't mean anything. But the BATTERAIN is now available on Rebrickable due to your continued support of this channel. It has free downloadable instructions on Rebrickable. You can get them today for no reason. You have to buy the pieces though. I'm not giving you the pieces for this. Anyways, see you when the battery takes over the world.